Hello everyone, I just want to show you how to activate your Caption Maker license. First, you'll need to open Caption Maker. Once you open it, you'll notice one of two things. First of all, I have a browser window that opened up that says that I need to order a Caption Maker license or download the free trial. That tells me that my license is not activated. If I close that and go back to Caption Maker, you'll notice that it says Demo up at the top bar. And so to fix this, we need to come over to the Help menu, and then we're going to go down to Manage Caption Maker License. And now most of the time your serial number will already be entered in. So all I have to do is activate the license. A warning will come up and tell me I need administrator permission. Click OK or Accept all the way through these. And now you notice I have Deactivate License. Now I'm ready to caption. If for some reason your serial number is not entered in there, you will need to type it in. Make sure you use the correct Caption Maker license for the computer that you're sitting at. Use the manual to figure out what that Caption Maker serial number is. If for some reason you still get an error, wait 15 minutes and try activating again. If that does not work, please contact your supervisor. You are now ready to caption.